All right. So when I said we're just like two everyday dudes, it's me, my brother-in-law, who isn't here. He's probably at home still asleep. We're getting ready for playoff football, right? Kind of started this second channel in addition to the woods and water because I've got a love for anything and everything automotive. And I'm going to kind of walk you through the nightmare that's my garage and the project we picked up. So I was working night shift, and we decided one night a buddy had a 2002 Lexus IS300 for sale. Rolling shell. Picked it up, 800 bucks. Some title issues to sort out, right? And then a week later, we went back and bought the engine, the transmission, the rear diff, wire and harness, friggin' everything, because this was originally a manual transmission car, and we didn't want to see it go to the crusher. So, you know, you walk through my garage, and you got a little bit of everything, right? It's a nightmare, right? Middle-aged dude, got stuff everywhere. And then, of course, I've got the transmission, the drive shaft, diff sitting there. My 883 Sportster I picked up not too long ago, right? And then here is the Joy, right? Pride and Joy. 2JZ. She's kind of pulled apart. And in case you thought I was making it up, she's hiding right down here. But it is the GE, not the GTE, so no oil squirters, no forged internals, that kind of thing. But we've got it pulled down, and we're going through cleaning it up, getting ready to kind of put it back in the car, which is why there's a huge pile of mess over here of boxes. Radiator cooling fans, gasket kit, all that other stuff. And then you come out into the middle of my yard. We've just had a bunch of snow here in Virginia, right? So everything's nasty, everything's old, mushy, and whatever. But the car is sitting out by my little 10x10 shed. And as we can see, there's nothing in the engine bay. But it's got dirt and bird crap and all kinds of stuff. But overall, the car itself is clean and not really lacking a ton. And when you look inside of it, it's an O2, so she's got some sticky dash issues. The seats are torn up. But everything's here, and I've got the gauge cluster and everything. So our plan over the next few months is get this thing back together, right? Before, I'll say, April or May. And the reason we want to do that, we want to race. Now, a lot of these cars got beat up, tore up, and made into drift kings or whatever you want to call them. But we want a track car, something we can take to Virginia International Raceway or VIR and just kind of have fun with it. And so join us as I learn how to edit videos, because I completely suck at that. And it's, like I said, two guys just trying to have some fun. So hopefully as I get better, y'all will start seeing more stuff that you'll enjoy. See you next week.